Here's our trike ride to the hotel.
No, I think like one of the tricycles broke or something.
Oh.
Oh no, the tree.
Tree fell. Oh wow.
No,
Looks like we have a fallen tree in front of us. Fallen tree on the way. That's nice. So what are we gonna do about that?
Nice welcome.
Nice welcome, yeah. Mabuhay. Let's see how we're gonna get out of this pickle. Looks like we found a solution to the problem. We're gonna be able to go under it. This can get pretty busy.
First time I ever tried this was a trip with my cousins. Norman and his sister and Tita and his sister's daughter were all visiting, and we went here like a cousin trip.
There are a lot of shops over here. Hope the business is doing good.
Welcome to the island of Boracay.
Thank you, thank you. Ooh, Army Navy. Always one of my favorite places to eat somehow.
Oh, they closed.
Bad luck, huh?
The last time, close na siya bago pa ipasara.
So what are we gonna do now? Do we have a plan B? Oh, I know. How about Army Navy? Wow, this is really something. I've never seen anything quite like this actually. This kind of beach. Wow, I can certainly see why people like to come to this place. It is really something else. Besides having all those bars and places to eat and shops, gift places, there are also this area. Is this place beautiful or what? Huh?
Oh my God, babies! I think it's
Bukas ma'am, para sa'yo ma'am. Ngayon.
one of my favorite beaches.
Bukas ma'am, kailan natin yan. Gusto mo yan. Ito ma'am, masipog.
Okay, saan ka makatira?
Bidyohan kayo ma'am, yung excited ba?
Yep, there's a lot of that too.
Pang-movie lang.
People offering deals and rides.
Eh, mas
It's
gusto ko
a
yung
big
ganyan,
competition.
ma'am. Yung mga alon, parang join. Ganda. Panswan. Letting go. Panswan.
Oh my God, we should get a food shake.
1 hour later.
Lovely looking place to stay in. Why aren't we staying in a place
It
like
was
this?
fully booked.
Oh, you looked for this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, where should we post up?
I don't know.
You know, just
Where do you want to do it?
you can sit on the beach, but I don't know. We supposedly had this one, but I doubt it. Check out this one right here.
When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true.
Wow. It's really as soft as they say it is.
You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart.
So, how do you feel about this place so far? Any thoughts?
Maybe I rather told you this is my favorite beach in the world.
Yeah, I can see why. I mean, this is a really
This
awesome
is
place.
going to spoil Boracay. Like, Boracay is going to ruin all beachfront from now on.
I can kind of see what you mean now. Yeah, this place is really something else.
And that's just like, what? Not even 10 hours in.
Yeah, I'm really loving it here already.